Hi everybody, so today we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. So first of all, congratulations on your new phone. We're gonna see what's in the bag, and as you can see we have a T-Mobile bag. So this phone is from the carrier T-Mobile, and you're gonna see like this phone is really amazing. It's very sleek, you can do so many things with it, and I hope you will really enjoy it as much as I do. So let's get right into it. So we have in the box we have a case and we have the phone. So it's a semi-translucent case, plastic, just to make sure that your phone will be protected. So inside the packaging you can see that here is a 64 gigs phone. You have some information on the back of what's inside the box. You see the S Pen on the side of the box, and it's the midnight black color. There's two colors with orchard gray. And if we slide off the packaging, this is the box, Samsung. Up. So we're gonna put in the box, opening that little plastic on the side, and here is the phone. So this is the phone. I'm just going to show you really quick right now because we're going to do a review after. So it's very thin, very light, big screen, beautiful. Put it on the side for now. And we're going to see what's in the box. So in the box, we're going to remove that little tray. And here we see that this is the shape of cutoff made for the dual camera that's on the phone, which is a very nice feature. So on that guide box, we see that we have an eject pin to eject the SIM card tray or the SD card tray. Here we have some welcome guides inside that I would really warmly recommend you to read. You will have some very useful information in this guide, and this is the box. So we have a fast charging wall charger. Put on the side. We have a little USB Type-C adapter because this phone has a new charging point, which is Type-C. All previous Samsung has a micro USB. This is a USB Type-C. So this is to put on every old charger if you have one. And we have here the USB connector. So this is if you want to use Smart Switch to transfer content from an old phone to your new phone. And I will show you how to use it in a second. Up there in the box we have the USB Type-C cable, the headset AKG, some extra S Pen tip with the tool to grab them. So in case you would lose your S Pen tip or damage it, you have some extra tips over here. And some extra earbuds over here. Sorry. So the USB Type-C charger that you would plug into the main wall, the AKG headset with some earbud already put in by default, but if those ones will not suit your ears, be too big or too small, you have extra earbuds over here, so smaller or bigger ones, just to adapt to your ear. So this is what's in the box. So as far as the chargers, you would use the USB Type-C charger and plug the USB in the wall charger over here. So this goes here in the wall, and the other tip over here will go straight into your phone. So this is a Type-C USB charger, as you can see. So as I was telling you before, you have some adapter. So if you have an old charger from Samsung, like a micro USB, I would show you now. So this is a micro USB charger. So it's not the Type-C. This would not fit into my phone. So what you would do, you charge it into the charger, and here I would use that little adapter tip, and now I have a second charger. Also, if you wanted to use smart switch to transfer content from an old phone to a new phone, what you would do is, still with your old USB charger, you would plug it into your old Samsung phone, and here you would use the USB connector. So you can plug both phones and use smart switch to do the transfer. So this will end the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and please follow our next tutorial to see how to power on the phone and set it up to unleash the power. Thank you for watching.